We're here in the Indianapolis Zoo parking lot for the Indy Backpack Attack. It's the 20th year they've been collecting school supplies. We're here with Mandy Emery, and of course, how many school supplies have you guys collected over those 20 years?
About 6 million.
6 million school supplies. So all morning long, people have been coming out, businesses. What have they been doing over here?
They've been getting boxes so that they can do their own collection back in their office. We give them posters so they can do their own drive. They can put the dates on it.
I like that.
And then the team captain gets one of our shirts. So
if you're so they can kind of tell who's who. If you're a small business and you want to get involved in this and you want to come out and get one of these boxes in the next few hours here, because we're going to be here till 2 o'clock this afternoon to collect, how do they do that?
They can either come right on out and we'll sign you up right here on the spot, or you can go to www.indybackpackattack.org and register. There's a register icon right there, and boom, you're in.
So these school supplies, when they're collected by these businesses, they go to whom?
They go to the children in need at the IPS schools and the mayor-sponsored charter schools.
Okay, and it's a great thing too that you guys started this in 1999.
Yes.
You started this and you've been collecting all these school supplies. From what we understand, there's a large percentage of kids who need these, larger than you would think.
Yeah, they're saying like 25% of the families in Indianapolis are in the poverty level, and also the kids at school, when they go, a lot of times they don't have the supplies, and the teachers, they say, are spending over $500 of their own money to make sure all these kids have supplies. So this is one way to help them out, you know, the teachers and the kids.
And the kids, and everyone kind of benefits from this.
Yes.
So if you have a company and you want to come out here in the next 2 hours and get one of these boxes, and things get, by the way, they get very competitive. So these businesses are very competitive as far as what they collect, correct?
Yes, and they come back year after year. Basically what we'll do is we'll have a competition, and the company that raises the most supplies by dollar value of the items gets a plaque with the Backpack Tech logo on it and this year's champion. So.
Okay, so let me see. When we're figuring out the champion, we get our big calculator out and we use this. You don't have to bring out things that are this big, but supplies are always welcome. Let's go back to the studio. It's a hot one out here, Scott. Just saying right now, but it's great. It's a great cause to get behind.